Hey guys, Mikey Swartz here. I know it's been a while. I haven't been putting up many vlogs or anything like that. Today I'm at Copart. I know a lot of people would like to see me at Copart. It's a cool place to be. And I like buying stuff from here. Sometimes you get some great deals. And today I came to look at a few vehicles. Actually, Ogre's loading two up on the trailer that we already bought. But I wanted to take a look at this Jeep. It's a 79 CJ5 and it's got a fiberglass tub on it. I was pretty sure it was fiberglass by the pictures. And it definitely is. Everything's fiberglass. And I don't know if that makes it worth more or less. I guess I'll have to look into that. It's got the straight six engine in it, which wasn't like the best option, but it's there. They say it runs and drives. And it looks a little dirty, oily, nasty. It's kind of a homemade, I don't mean homemade. It's been restored, but kind of a half-assed restoration, not a great restoration. It's definitely the type of thing you could buy and just drive. But the price is pretty cheap on it. I watched it go last week and it only brought like 3,500 bucks, but they didn't sell it. They want to get 5,500 for it. I still think that's a pretty good price to ask for it, but it is a little rough. Looks better in the pictures. I can tell you this though, I'd drive it. I think it's cool. I would own it, but not for long because, you know, I just sell stuff. So we're gonna go take a look at a Saturn Vue now. You know how I love Saturn Vues, right? So we gotta go find this thing. Man, the worst part about coming to Copart is you see stuff like this and it's so distracting. Like, look at this gem. Frames rusted. Oh man, it is in good shape though. Damn. Look, I'm gonna film the numbers on it so I can find it when I get home. Pickup date 9/5/19. Yeah. Ooh, 97. Automatic. I'm sure it's a 4-cylinder. Let's see how bad this frame is. Here, let's turn this light on. Well, that's already been plated. Fucking shitty job though. Holy shit, you guys. Who did this? Come on, who fixed this? You guys. Oh God. I mean, you're supposed to weld it. You're supposed to weld it the whole way, you know, not just lay it on there. Oh, that's ready to bust, huh? Yeah, it's pretty rough. Look at this. Like someone just bought a welder and they literally learned how to use it on this truck. Wow. Oh my God, look at this one. Oh, that's freaking awesome. Now, I don't know how they missed this spot, but oh wow, this thing is rough underneath. Oh, look at the inside of this. Oh my God, look at the other side. Oh, it's worse. Let's go look at it. It sucks there. Look at the body on this thing. It's clean. It's the right color. Man, it ain't even beat up at all. I hate to see trucks like this, but dude, this thing is really shot. Look at this frame. She is about to fall off of there. Probably shouldn't be crawling around underneath this thing. It looks kind of sketchy. Look, I would fix this though. I'm gonna bid on this. Scarpone would be so pissed. I like it though. It's definitely fixable. Definitely fixable, just would require some work. She would be a beaut though. All right. Ugh. All right, let's go find the Saturn. Okay, fix my hair. I think I found the Saturn. Yeah, this is it. Not quite as exciting as the Tacoma, but here's the Saturn I came to look at. Ooh. Now these things, the reason I love these things so much is because they actually have Honda engine and transmission. So you can't really go wrong, although it smells like a dog in here. These things are pretty solid and they're fast. They actually rip. This one is all-wheel drive. It's got the 3.5 liter V6 Honda engine, same thing that would have come in a Honda Odyssey or like some of the Acura SUVs or a Honda Pilot, stuff like that. Sniff it out. No key in it. I was hoping to start it up. Ooh, what is going on here? Okay, all right, that's cool. All right, yeah, there we go. That is a Honda 3.5. They just stripped the letters off the top so it doesn't say Honda on it anymore. But that's all right, we know what's in there. These are real good engines, so usually these hold up good. But if you ever buy a View, make sure it's not a 4-cylinder because they have GM engines. You don't want that. Dusty. Something else I learned is you always got to check under the front of these because they rust sometimes right there. And this one is rusty there. Although it's not rusted clear through, I'm going to poke at it a little bit. Let's poke at it. Ooh. Okay, now it's rusted clear through. We could fix that. It's not terrible. That's solid. That's solid. Feels solid on the inside. Let's check the other side. Oh, same exact spot. Same exact damage. But that's really not that bad. Oh wait, this side looks a little worse. Ah man, Scarpon's gonna bitch if I bring this thing home. I'm afraid Scarpon's gonna give me too much shit if I bring this home. So I guess I'm gonna pass on it. Oh well, now I can bid on that Tacoma. Just kidding. All right, one other thing I wanted to look at quick while I'm here is the side-by-side. Cameron's been bugging me for one, and I think it would be pretty cool. Although I'm not willing to spend too much money on one, and that's kind of impossible. But hey, we'll take a look at this one. It's a 570 Polaris. It's one of the smaller ones. It's probably about the right size for Cameron. Actually, it might be a little big for him because really this is still kind of an adult-sized driving position, I see. But they say this thing's flood damaged. But I mean, it's got snorkels. How could it have flood damage? It's definitely not the side-by-side I would want personally. But for Cameron, he would love it. I can't imagine flood damage would really kill one of these. I might bid on it, but it'll probably bring way more than I want to spend because this is still like 10 grand. Stupid. You know what? While I'm here, let's check out this four-wheeler too. Ooh, this thing's kind of cool. Scrambler 850. What is this? Independent suspension. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Kind of like it. I think they already sold this though. I think it sold today. All right, can't buy that. Don't want it anyway. That's all I'm really interested in. So I'm gonna head back to the truck and see how Ogre's making out. Oh, there's one of our cars getting loaded right there. See what these cars look like. We got ourselves a Cadillac and an F-150. I'm not big on Cadillacs, but this one was cheap enough, so I figured I'd give it a shot.
And they brought them out in the wrong order.
Why?
They're supposed to bring the Caddy out first.
Doesn't matter.
Push it forward, but they did.
Oh.
But we were getting the truck running, so. Hey, how close am I to?
The truck looks good. You want me to back it up a little? It's gonna be tongue heavy. It's gonna be a lot tongue heavy, I'd say. Yeah, hold on. That's better. We get the Caddy on the back.
This thing sounds decent too.
Sounds good, yeah. F-150 was a good deal. Seems like a good deal anyway.
Exhaust on it.
Oh, I got some rims on the old girl. A little rusty here and there, but nothing too bad. It's not like that Tacoma or anything. The Tacoma was very rough. Well, we're gonna strap these things down. When I get back, I'm wiring up my new air compressor I got for the shop. And then I swear I'm gonna get back to work on that Tacoma. It's just been a fucking nightmare. The lift blew a cylinder last week. So it took me a couple of days to fix that. I had to tear it apart, wait for parts to come in, put it all back together. Then I had to fix the dump valve too because the lift always drops so slow. I got that fixed up though. So the lift is working good. And I got a brand new air compressor. Just got to finish wiring it up. Then I'll be back to work on that swap. Thanks for tuning into my vlog, and I'll see you guys next time.
So I heard an interesting story from one of the loaders.
What's that?
So they don't side load cars anymore. You've seen them do that before.
Yeah, why? Because they messed up too many drive shafts?
That's what I thought they did. But apparently, so when they were loading one on one of the wedge trailers that are real steep,
Yeah.
fucking dude
Set it on, it
down,
rolled off?
It rolled off and killed somebody.
What?
Yes.
Here?
No, it was in another location like a
Wow.
couple months ago.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Ouch.